Hello, Team Y Combinator. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm Ashish, the founder of this marketplace called SteerThrough. So, in this small demo, we are going to talk about what SteerThrough as a marketplace is all about, what are its major functionalities, what is our present and future plan, what are some of the major differentiators against our competitors, and how we are going to make money. So this marketplace is primarily focused for three set of customers. First is startup, second one is SMEs, third one is SMBs, which is the mid-size enterprise or organizations. Now, suppose I'm a customer and I visit this website or the marketplace, I would be able to figure out or find out all the solutions for the crucial challenges. We are not going to list everything and anything which is already there in the market. So based on the primary market research, based on the response or input provided by the first hand customers, we have contacted a couple of them. So they have suggested us. Based on that, we are keep on adding these uh, these services. So suppose I'm a customer, I visit this website. Now I could figure out those solutions either through these categories. This is industry, right? So we keep on adding these industries. Initially we have started with enterprise. Our plan is to add in e-commerce or marketplace. Similarly, we'll keep on adding more industry verticals. This is sub vertical, like the subsection of the vertical or industry, and this is category. So suppose I click on this messaging solution, I'll be figuring finding out different solutions or different products or different standalone meaning some independent service provider or a person who's offering their services. Now I can also figure type in these the names of the product or the company or the solutions, and I can figure out uh, the results. Similarly, I could click on these boxes here, and I could directly jump onto the solutions which we are looking for, or as a customer I'm looking for. And based on the data, these are couple of randomly selected categories which is suggested by the data that these are the popular ones. So I can click on that. Let me show you. Suppose I clicked on there. So this is under one category. I'm getting a list of couple of companies. So I could filter out the required result based on different filters. For example, if I need product as in software ratings, I can also choose the pricing range. I can also select whether this particular product has a free trial or free version, or which is the target market. Suppose this is, I'll pick one example. So suppose SMS idea is one product. So whether this is made for the B2B customers or B2B, B2B customer, B2B or B2C customers, right? Sorry, I'm just fumbling a bit. I'm a bit nervous. My apologies on this. Now, so so once I figure it out, it will give me the results. Now I can also compare these things. I can select either two of those lists, and I can compare. It's very simple. Now, what else do we have? Suppose I'm an admin. This is the admin panel. So I'm a master admin, which is anybody who's got the authority to work as an admin from the steer through as a company or the organization side. We can add these things. For example, we can add all the data of the vertical, vendor, product, customers. We do have all the access, all the authority. Certainly it will give us the data, like which are the how many leads every month we are receiving, or which how many of those leads are converted. So all the details. For example, I'll take it as a CRM, regular CRM. So we are going to integrate that. We have just started building it, so it's nothing. It's no concrete. Now, in the vendor section, we are going to talk about what happens if a vendor logs in. So a vendor will be able to fill in the data, or maybe make an entry of a new product. He can also edit the existing product which he has listed. What is the status, how many inquiries he has got, how many conversion out of those inquiries he has received, what is the probability of engagement he should anticipate for the next month or maybe this quarter. So all the analytics we are going to uh, you know embed here, or maybe make it through inbuilt software, maybe third parties. Now, this is the dashboard for a user. User meaning, suppose I'm a buyer, I visit the website, I send the inquiry. So, and maybe I have created the login on our website. So, once I log in, I'll be able to see that, hey, I sent this inquiry. What is the result? Am I getting any kind of discounts or special offers from either from the vendor or from SteerThrough as a marketplace? What are the probable suggestions? Are also going to be built up here, which will be there. How many reviews against each listing or each category I have given, and whether any benefits out of that we are getting from the vendor or the marketplace as a steer through as a marketplace. Plus, definitely the basic functionalities like data changes, data modifications, password change. These things are certainly there. Now let me go back on the main page once again. Similarly, this is the trending category. So the difference between popular and trending is, popular is the majority of the people are looking for these things for a longer duration, comparatively longer duration. But in the trending category, it's a small phased, small phased liking, or maybe the herd of the population is looking for that particular thing. So this data or this listings will keep on changing. For our visitors, this is know-how, to build up the traction and for their information, because sometimes they are not aware what they are looking for, what this platform is, and what are the new and trending things are happening in this startup world or startup ecosystem. So this is the blog section. Now, a user can subscribe for our updates. And what else? Let me, one second. All right. So there are two or three sections I would prefer to talk about again, or maybe further. So this is the vendor section. I click on this vendor and I reach out to vendor section. There, a vendor can easily register himself, or he can log in. He can also show the interest, what he's interested into, whether he wants to inquire about something, he is interested to list himself on under some category or some type. For example, maybe I'm a Microsoft. So Microsoft is a product, or I can also be a service, right? And under which category I would prefer myself to get listed. So this is all about vendor. Similarly, if I click on the contact, so either I could send the inquiry. This contact section is for vendors and for users both. So I can select my company. I mean, this is going to be a change certainly. Company can be filled in easily, and I can put in the message, and I can. I think I'm done. Now, one thing at the last I would like to mention that if I hover my mouse on categories, I see this is the first thing. First is this is the vertical on the industry. This is a sub industry or sub vertical, and this is the category. So that's how we can go all about it. Now, if I click on this FAQs section here, we do have segregated and well written questions and answers for vendors and users. So all the questions, all the doubts, all the confusions, and inquiries could be handled on here, or are answered here. So definitely, if I'm a user, I'll figure out my question and I'll get my answer. So it's well written. I have written that, and if I reach out to the home page again, I click on article and tips. So it lands me here. This is the blog and article section where I get useful articles, I get useful tips, and that's all about. So that's all for now. And currently it's in the beta version. So we are getting the very good and positive response from the market, from the real users. People are also, registering their product. They have started registering their products, and couple of inbound inquiries have started happening. So that's a very positive sign, and they are also ready to shell out a good sum of money. So that's all about it. Hope you have liked this. Thank you.